So how do we use Looper? Just go into your extensions in Google. Let's see. Yeah, let's do it like this. Okay. We'll go into extensions and make sure it's loaded. And you'll see that the Looper should load underneath the main player. And if we look at our video here, this is our video. Just drag through it real quick. And what Looper's going to do is it's going to jump us to 11 seconds and play for 3 seconds. And you can see once I start looping, it's doing exactly that. And then I can change to any time I want. So here, let's go change to 5. Video starts over. Plays through to 5. There it is. Plays from 5 for 3 seconds. Let's go 5 seconds.
Reese, you got a caller up there. Reese, you got a caller up there.
There it is. And we can click here to pause. And now if we play,
Reese,
we're out of loop mode now, so the video will just play.